What up? What up? Good morning. Broke my headset again. Hold on. Thank you, thank you. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, we ran it up. I gotta deal with some hater on Twitter real quick. Hold on. What's poppin'? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Let's see, Larry, good morning. Hold on, let me just tweet back this hater. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, we went out Saturday night. It was fun. There we go. Tweeted back the hater. All right, let's hop into it. Thank you for everybody saying congrats on the 20K. You guys are the best. Love you all so much. You guys have been here since the beginning. Most of you have been here since the beginning, but yeah, every single morning we go live 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. I give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. I'm ready to run it up. Hopefully you guys are ready to run it up. Yeah, happy Monday. Let's make a list. Let's find some bangers. And yeah, first thing on the list, Facebook. Breaking below that Friday low. I do want to see it break below 181.2. Maybe we can look for some more puts there. Remember, Facebook's got a lot of room to the downside. Now, the one thing that we're going to have to pay attention to is going to be the put to call ratio. I don't know if anybody was in the stream on, I think I talked about it Friday and Saturday. Good morning. But when the put to call ratio is above 1, this is telling us that there are too many puts in the market. If there's too many puts, there's nobody left to buy puts. So what happens? The put buyers, well, yeah, the people who purchase the puts begin to take profits. Therefore, they become buyers of, whatever stock. And the people who are chasing the puts are going to get their stop loss triggered. Therefore, they become buyers as well. So we see a nice little short squeeze in the market. So I want to see where the put to call ratio opens up today. If it's above 1, I'm gonna be cautious. Could see a short squeeze. But yeah, definitely keep that on your radar. But Facebook, I would prefer to see it go to the downside. But again, keep that in mind that we could short squeeze and see a nice little pump today. So be open-minded. We will look at Twitter. It's $PCALL. So $P call. Let's flip through the weekly watch list. And again, I broke my headset, so if anybody subscribes, just put it in the chat. That way I can hit y'all with a bing bong. For 20K though,
Bing
hit
bong.
y'all with a bing bong, hit you with the air horns. Hopefully both of those just played. I can't hear a single thing through my headset. This is like the 5th time that I broke the wire. So I think I might need to find an alternative to a headset because I tend to get up and pull the cord and bend the pin and then get it stuck in my computer. Seems to be a pretty common occurrence. But yeah, Baba, interested in that gap fill. The China names are gapping down. Remember, we are in a PDD swing trade. The calendar spread, we sold this week's puts and then bought further outputs. So, Baba, Facebook. We already looked at Facebook. GME, I do want to watch GME. This is on my my Twitter. Daily falling wedge. Be kind of interested to see what happens here if we break above it. So, just gonna set an alert at or above. HPQ. I also don't have a Bluetooth thing. I need to figure all this stuff out. I can tell you exactly what I think a stock is gonna do based off of technicals, but when you ask me anything when it comes to like my computers or anything else involved with computers, I have no clue. Or below. Remember, I want to watch HPQ for that 34 EMA bounce. JKS, I want to see that pull back to that weekly 21 at 48.50. If we can get that, I'll look to snag a swing. Let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Microsoft looking weak. Break below 270.75 for puts. Good morning, everybody. Microsoft. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 138 people up in here and 53 likes. So if you guys want the free watch list for today, make sure to run it up to 150 likes. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, I love you all. Let's see, Netflix. Really interested in Netflix below last week's low. I have the little, what are they called? The power beats, is that the small ones? I have those for the gym. I don't know if those work. I won't be able to hear Grizzly and Jadon in voice chat today. A little upset about that. Where are we at right now? 190, 159. I feel like Nvidia is a little overextended. I'm not gonna worry about that. SQ bounced 30 cents shy of that 100 level, so 100. Let's see what happens there. Hopefully we don't bounce in the pre-market. And then of course our baby VXX. I am assuming that 3-day squeeze is ready to go. Remember, VXX, we talked about this multiple times. Daily squeeze, orange dots, yellow momentum looking to come up. That 3-day squeeze, however, looks beautiful. So that 26.47 level was where the VIX kind of had to break out of for that squeeze to begin to fire. As you can see, which was the high of this consolidation, besides all the way up here. Watch this. 27.5, 28, maybe we can scalp. Let's see, VXX. Now, if I use my phone, it's gonna sound terrible. Plus, you're gonna hear me type literally all day if I do it on my phone. I got hotkeys to mute my mic. Alright, let's flip through this day trade list. Apple, you can die, I don't care. We looked at AMD, Boeing. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 140 people in here, 75 likes. If you guys want the watch list, make sure to like it up. We need 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. Boeing clapped. Back at the lows yet? I got super close to that low. Boeing not interested in. Coin. Thank you for the subscribe. Hopefully that Bing Bong just played for you. Costco destroyed. CRWD destroyed. Oil absolutely hammered. We already looked at Facebook. We looked at Microsoft. Did we look at PayPal? Not too interested in PayPal. We got SQ on the list. Might be a small list today. Target destroyed. Tesla. Came right back down to that low at 962. Remember, I still want my bounce at 944. I'll be interested to see what Tesla does when it gets to that level. But it did come down to that 1 hour support right there. Maybe if it violates that level, Buenos Dias. So maybe Tesla below 961. I'll see what happens there. Twitter, probably going to get pretty sure Elon's getting ready to acquire Twitter. So watch that for some news today. Above 52 it could go. 54, 57, Twitter. Walmart, clapped. Exxon, clapped. Cool. Alright, small list today. Facebook, AMD, Baba, Microsoft, SQ, VIX, and Twitter. So, real quick, let me just, gold is getting clobbered. P-call. Let me tell everybody put to call ratio is over 1. P-call is over 1 if we stay at an elevated level. Elevated level above 1. Market could short squeeze. The thing is though, the way that this is why I'm kind of iffy on a short squeeze today is because the way that the market closed on Friday, usually when the market gets, you know, a huge red candle like this on a Friday, it sets up for what's known as margin call Monday, which are the people who held their positions over the weekend. They're going to get stopped out and forced to become buyers on Monday. So we have that, but the put to call above 1. So yeah, some mixed views right there. We shall see. Neither. I'm gonna take what I've been given, or I'm gonna take what I'm being given today, make trade decisions based off that. I would like to see PDD come down more. Let's see. Cool, let's narrow the list, see what we like, what we don't like, and keep that put to call ratio in mind. How many likes we got? 106. Make sure you guys are continuing to run it up if you guys do want the watch list. 150 likes. It is free 99 to click that like button. 177.31. Possible reject. 185.36. Scalp it above 183.65. Ideally would like Facebook to crack down. However, again, that put to call ratio could cause it to squeeze up. Cool. Let's watch this one. Oh, this will be blowing up my phone. You always give me 2 likes. I greatly appreciate you. All right. So Facebook would prefer to see it to the downside this week, or today. Downside today. Below 181.2 for puts. Broke the yearly low last week. Can't type. Let's see. Price target equal 177.31. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. Yes, I am. 179.34. 179.34. 177.31. After that, lots of free room. Calls above 130 or 183.65 for a scalp to 185.36. Cool. Facebook done. How do you get the bull next to your name? Go on over to my YouTube, click the big old button that says join, and become a channel member. That's how you look like the cool kids in the chat. Chuck, Alexander, Scott, Mel, Elizabeth, Jay, Bear Sublime, Larry. I greatly appreciate you guys. But yeah, just click that big old button that says join. It's only $10 a month, can't go wrong. You support the channel. And yeah, you get a cool green name and an icon. Anyways, I do like Facebook. Again, I prefer it to the downside, so we're gonna keep that on the list. Then AMD. We'll see what happens. Maybe above 89, get a nice little scalp up. Below 87 for puts. Baba. Yeah, new color, Scott. Love it. Okay, so if Baba broke below 82.53, liquidity is in the 80 puts. We have that gap that needs to fill. It is a little overextended. We can make it do. I mean, really, it's got, I don't have anything till 80, so I do like Baba a lot. We'll come back to that one. Microsoft. So 270.75 only has room to 270. I think I'm gonna ignore Microsoft today. Thinkorswim. To be honest with you, I don't even know how many channel members we have. Notice I said we. We are one big happy family together. I'll be interested to see what happens with SQ at 100. Either we bounce or we violate. If we violate, nothing till 96.95. Liquidity is in, of course, the liquidity is in the 100 puts. So we might have to go at the money with SQ, but I do like that. So we'll come back to that. PXX, we're almost at the 150 likes. Oh, that's VIX. I thought this was Twitter. There we go. So good old tweeter. Looks like we're getting like a little 30-minute bull flag. Break above. We got room to 52.79. 52.79. A nice little 70-cent move. Wait, no. What level is that? 53.04, so $1 move. 53.23. Yeah, so it looks like that 53 level is going to have a lot of resistance. I'd be quite interested to see what happens there. Cool. Let's watch it. Or bounce at like 50. I'd prefer to see it over 52.04, but let's see. Twitter. Watching due to Elon news. looking for the break of 52.04 for calls. Price target equal 53. Lots of resistance in this area. Possible bounce at 50 or 49. 50 just because that's going to be that psychological support level, and then the 1 hour 21 EMA is at 49. So 2 possible bounce levels right there. Let's see, have I been practicing futures? No, I don't trade futures. I do my technicals on futures. Well, let's say I used to do my technicals on futures until everybody said they want the SPY and QQQ analysis instead. So now I mainly do that, but I always have the futures up when the market's not open. So we got Twitter, we got Facebook. What's up? I did not like Microsoft, so we're gonna take that one off. AMD. The 30-minute squeeze might fire up. Might fire before the market even opens. I think Baba looks like one of the more high probability setups for today. So we're gonna throw Baba on the list. Good morning. Below 82.53. Above 84.54. Watch it both ways. Would prefer down. However, we will watch both. Baba. Baba. Watching both ways. Puts below. Why are these options so expensive? They report earnings? No. I don't remember the last time I seen Baba contracts at $450. The call side's got like stupid premiums. Huh. Watch it both ways. Puts below 82.50. Daily gap fill down to 80.14. Above 84.54 for calls. Price target equal 85.4. 86. This little, it's called the symbol link right here. You just make them all the same color. Make them red. So we got, we're in the PDD, so I gotta keep that over here. PDD, Baba, Twitter, we got that nice little flag on Twitter, and Facebook. Also keep the put to call ratio up just in case we squeeze today. Good morning. Again, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys do that. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. And real quick, my disclaimer, because I forgot about this. Nothing talked about on this live stream is financial advice. Everything in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. I am not responsible for any lost funds. Options trading is super risky. That's why there's so many regulations and disclaimers when it comes to options trading. You can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. So I'm not held liable for any lost funds. Make sure to do your own due diligence and use proper risk management. Cool. There's my disclaimer. And boom. Pin that in the chat. So watching those three. And then we just got AMD, SQ, and VXX, so might wait a, of course AMD broke. I had a feeling it was gonna do that. Might snag something off of Grizzly once the market gets a little closer to open. But yeah, I guess in the meantime, I got my list done for now. If you guys got any questions, I can answer some questions before I hop off. So I'll give you guys like 5 minutes to ask me anything that you guys want. US dollar hits 2-year high as investors flee stock market, commodity slump. Nice. Hold on. Let me pull up the dollar. I don't know if TrendSpider has a US dollar. No, it doesn't. We have to talk to TrendSpider. Tell them they need to put the US dollar on there, the Dixie. Hold on. Oh, it did hit highs. Okay. 101.55 broke that major psychological resistance of 100. It's got room to like 102.2. Cool. Hold on, coming back to the stream. Questions. Let's see, Costco. The only fibs I would be using on Costco would have been this pivot high to pivot low. However, it just completely fell through, so no need for the Fibonacci extensions right now. You have support on the way down. Facebook reports earnings this week. I do not trade futures. Let's see. Yes, cash account. Amazon, let's see. I don't really trade Amazon. Again, it looks weak. I think it's a little overextended. Plus, we have that put to call over 1. I'd be cautious. If you're gonna short it, 28.52 looks like the level, but I feel like it's gonna be a weird day. Stack DMAs, squeeze, stochastics, all balance volume. Everything right here is what I use. Besides, I have my stack DMAs. Hey, we can scalp some corn. I'm down for that. You don't gotta ask me twice. Yes, I do. Here, hold on. Let me send the link, and then I'll drop the watch list. Copy link. Let's see. So everything, my socials, my one-on-ones, the Discord, all of that is going to be in the link that I just sent in the chat. Beacons.ai car horns. Everything you need from me, right there. Let's see. But yeah, join the Discord. The link is in there. Use discount code BULL50, BULL50. Get you 2 free trial days plus 50% off. But let me give you guys a watch list for today. Facebook. I gotta fix the lettering here. Also, I submitted my book for editing on Friday. So I'll have it back by this Friday or the following Friday. Baba. Let's see. Have a lighter size. If you're too heavily positioned, you're not going to feel comfortable holding that trade. But yeah, there's the watch list. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. As always, I greatly appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I'll be live tomorrow again, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Use proper risk management. Nothing is financial advice in this live stream, and let's make some money. But yeah, if you're in Team Blue, I'll talk to you in 20 minutes. Other than that,